As parents, what is it important for you to teach your children about being Jewish?
I don't think we put any efforts of teaching them being Jewish or being something else. They are just growing up like normal person. I don't think they need that burden to be this or that or to make that all that, I think they should be free persons, and if they have part of being Jewish and part of being Lithuanian too, so it's okay, just be a person of the world, and that's all. And I don't know, I never asked them what they think about growing up here. I think they are happy about growing up here in Lithuania, and I never heard they would like to grow up in Israel or somehow. We went with them to visit our grandmother when she was still alive, my husband's mother, some 3 years ago. And my kids felt okay in Israel too. They are speaking fluent Hebrew and they got friends there. And it was like natural, like it's okay. Nobody need to tell you that you are a Jew and you must. No. Just they have a lot of Lithuanian friends and Russian friends and Polish friends here in Vilnius. And they are not sorting them like that. And I think it's a good thing. Just like all the others. Okay, so you went to make Shabbos? Okay, make Shabbos. But you still remain like all the other people.